In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to switch your Shopify store's theme from Spotlight to Dawn, or truly any theme, safely and efficiently. So let's dive right in and explore how to make this transition smoothly. Before you start, it's crucial to check your Shopify plan and the permissions available to you. If you're using Shopify's starter plan, you might face some limitations regarding theme changes or editing options. For some users, Spotlight could be the only theme available due to these constraints. However, if your Shopify plan supports theme changes, then you're all set to move forward. Head over to your Shopify admin and navigate to Online Store, and from there, go to Themes. This is where you'll see your current theme, Spotlight, prominently displayed at the top. Just below, you'll discover the theme library, where you can explore a variety of themes to try, install, or upload. The next step is to add the Dawn theme to your library. Scroll down under Online Store and Themes, then click on Explore Free Themes or visit the Theme Store. Here, locate the Dawn theme, either from the free section or by using the search function. Once you've found Dawn, simply click the Add Theme button, and this will safely place it into your theme library. Now, with the Dawn theme in your library, it's time to preview and customize it. Go to the Actions drop-down next to Dawn and choose Preview. This leads you to the theme editor, where you can really get creative and adjust various settings like your logo, colors, typography, and homepage layout. If your Spotlight theme has any custom banners, sections, or content blocks, your job now is to recreate these within Dawn to maintain consistency in your store's look and feel. If there were any custom code snippets or CSS in your Spotlight theme, it's essential to individually note them down, as they won't automatically transfer when you switch themes. Copy these code snippets and manually apply them to Dawn. Additionally, check any apps that contributed features to your store. You might need to reinstall or adjust them to fit within the Dawn theme. It's good news that elements like navigation, collections, products, pages, and blog posts are stored separately from your theme, so they should transfer over without issues. After you have customized Dawn to your satisfaction, go back to Online Store, find Dawn in your theme library, and under Actions, click Publish. Confirm that you want to make it live, and this will replace Spotlight with Dawn as your store's active theme. Once your new theme is live, conduct thorough testing on both desktop and mobile devices. Ensure that your menus, product pages, images, links, checkout process, and apps all appear correctly and function seamlessly. Don't forget to review SEO essentials such as page titles, meta descriptions, and heading tags. Lastly, check the speed and performance of your store since different themes may affect the loading behavior. And there you have it. With these steps, you're ready to switch themes aptly and maintain an excellent store experience.